Building stocks have been red hot this year, but check out shares of Frontdoor, up more than 70% year to date. The company offers home maintenance and repair, as well as home warranties. It has been a stealth play on housing. Joining us now is Frontdoor CEO Bill Cobb. Bill, it's great to have you on the show. Welcome.
Thanks, Morgan. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays to you. And, we just teased it as a stealth play on housing. What are you seeing at a time where, as we were just talking to Diana Olick about it, home prices continue to tick higher, inventory continues to be too low, and people are staying put in their homes more often?
Yeah, I think Diana said it well. And like she said, you hate to be simplistic, but with the lack of inventory on the market, it's only 20 days or so, the latest numbers from the National Association of Realtors. It is continuing to drive prices up. But I do think the mortgage decline, the rate coming down to about 6.67, and the prospect for lower interest rates, we believe, and we agree with the National Association of Realtors, we think there will be more than a double-digit increase in housing, in terms of real estate transactions in 2024. In 2022, we did 6 million. 2021, 6 million homes were sold. 2022, 5 million. This year, it's going to be about 4. So there is pent-up demand, and we do think there will be an increase, especially as rates continue to come down.
So what's better for Frontdoor? When people stay in their homes for longer and then they have to do maintenance and repair, and they turn to you for the guidance and the help to do that, or to get a home warranty, for example, which helps, I would imagine, hedge against inflation? Or is it better when you see this uptick in housing activity and more movement in general?
So the great thing for our business is we get the benefit of both. So if real estate was to come back and more homes are sold, we are there with first-time buyers. That's part of the mortgage, the situation when you buy a home, you get a home warranty. And we attach to about 16% of all real estate transactions. But on the other hand, if you're in your home, we have the ability to deal with you directly, because systems continue to deteriorate over time. We repair and maintain over 23 systems in the home. And so what happens is people have a tendency to look to us to stay in their home knowing that something's going to break inevitably. And it's borne out by our retention rate is the highest it's ever been, at over 76% this year.
Which business is growing more quickly?
Well, because of the decline in real estate, that has been down the most. Our direct-to-consumer and our renewal business. Our renewal business is really the backbone of the company, and that's been the strongest area.
What is it taking to acquire customers and then to retain them in this environment?
Yeah, it's taking a, marketing costs are going up, so it is taking a lot. Incentives are there because of the inflationary pressures. So it's a much more complicated marketing approach, but we have a really good marketing team, and they're doing a really nice job on that. So getting new customers. But I'm really proud of the work we've done with our current customers. We are sending more and more of what we call our preferred contractors. Those are our best contractors. They do about 84% of our jobs. We also have done a much better job working through what we call the customer journey, which is, making sure we onboard them correctly. We work with them during their time. We actually want people to use our service. That's the best renewal we have to see how well our service performs. And it's borne out by, we are running right now our highest 5 stars we've ever had in terms of reviews, and our lowest 1 stars.
Okay. So what do you see as your biggest competition in this marketplace? Is it the more traditional players, home improvement players like Home Depots and Lowe's? Is it Angie's or some of the other online sites that are focused on housing? Or is it social media or something else?
I don't think social media is a part of everything today. But I think what we see is there are other home warranty companies. They are certainly competitors of ours. We're the largest. But other people, like you say, Home Depot and Lowe's, want to get into the repair and maintenance business. So just like with a number of businesses, it's not just easy to just pinpoint your competitor. What you need to do, I believe, is have the right value proposition, service the customer well, and continue to do a great job with your existing customers and attract new customers.